Hey everyone, this video will show you how to download, uh, add text, and submit your labs for this course. Okay, so here I'm on the home page for the course. This is the same as the module page, right? You can click modules or home, it'll take you to the same page. So I'm going to scroll down to week 1, and for example, let's go into lab 1. This is what you'll see. So you can download the actual lab document by clicking this link here. It should pop up in your downloads folder. So you can click this to open up the document itself. However, if I do that, it'll open up in Adobe, and that's not actually what I want to do in this case. So let's go to my actual downloads folder, and we see it at the top here. I'll single click on it, and then on a Mac, 2-finger click, or Windows right click, and you want to open with preview. This is for a Mac. I'll show you opening up with Word in a second. Okay, so this is preview. This is a way to add text to PDF documents, at least on a Mac. So this is the lab document. Notice it's 2 pages. Okay, we can freely scroll through it. You can simply double click in the space and type what you want. So that's my name. Let's go over here. Whoops, text document moves over there. So let's go up to Tools, go down to Annotate, go down to Text, and now you can grab that text box and move and place it wherever you want. So today's date is 6/22/20, and that's that. And to highlight the section, we can't exactly add text there. So what we want to do is go over to this symbol right here, the draw symbol. Click that, make sure it turns blue, and then click and hold down as you draw a circle or some kind of marking around your appropriate section. Okay, and so now let's go back to text now. And now under the questions, we can create text boxes. Well, sorry, let's go back to Tools, Annotate, Text, and now we have this box, and we can enlarge it however we want to. Whoops, grab it, move it up a little bit. I'll include text in here. So my group members are me, myself, and I. Right? And I might as well show you how to do multiple lines in a text box. You can simply hit enter. Right? This is also me down here. And again, me too. Okay? And so this is a freely movable text box. So this is how you would answer questions on this lab or any subsequent labs in this course using Preview. Okay, and again, Preview is an application for Macs. Okay, and so I'm going to leave this as is. Right, you can go to File, and there is no Save As, but you want to export it as a PDF. Okay, and that's the only file format that will be accepted in this course for assignment and lab submittal. Okay, so for example, let's just save this to your desktop. I'll title it as Trelawney Practice Lab. Okay, save it to my desktop. Now let's go back and do it with Microsoft Word. So I'm back in my downloads folder. For Microsoft Word or Windows users, right click, open with Word. And if you didn't know, Microsoft Word can open up PDF documents. They don't always have to be Word documents. Right? The formatting will be a little bit different, but for the most part, it'll be pretty similar. Right? So for Word, we need to go and insert text box over here, and we want to draw a text box. Don't click the vertical ones. We want to just click there and drag and kind of make our own text box. And that way we can type into it what we want. Okay. Click out of it. And now we want to go to draw, get the draw symbol, and now highlight our appropriate lab section. Okay. Let's go back to insert text box to answer the questions. And very similarly to how we did it below, make sure we do a nice big text box there, and we can type whatever we want. Okay. Interestingly enough, in Word, you cannot simply hit Enter to go to another line. If you continue typing on and on and on, and you reach the end, the rightmost side of this text box, it'll automatically go to the second line. Okay. So leave the little text box there. Now we can go up and save it. Again, to the desktop. I'm going to title this as Trelawney Practice Lab again. This is a .x file, but we want to make it a PDF. Right. And then export. All right. So let's do Word version. Okay. Export. Good enough. Now let's go back to Canvas, and this is what you should see. I'm in student view here, and up on the upper right you should see Submit Assignment. So if you click that button, notice that it's due by 11:59 p.m. the day of, right? The day of that lab. The lab 1 is only worth 1 point. Most labs, in fact, the rest of labs will be worth 20 points each. You're submitting it via a file upload, and the only type allowed is a PDF. And so now, go down here, we can choose a file. I have to go to our desktop. Trelawney, there it is. Let's do the one I used in preview. Select that, hit open, and we should go to Submit Assignment. It's thinking, it's thinking, it's thinking. There we go. All right. And that's it. All right. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in class or shoot me an email or Canvas message. Thanks for watching.